Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You want a reliable reset. Start by charging the case and earbuds so power doesn't interrupt the process. Once charged, keep the lid open and make sure Bluetooth is on. Open Sony headphones, connect, and select your LinkBuds. If the buds are currently paired to a device, unpair them first so the app can reinitialize the connection. This avoids partial resets and ensures the app can push the initialize command cleanly. You can reset in two ways. The app method is simplest. Tap Settings, then Initialize or Factory Reset and follow prompts. The app explains why this clears paired lists and settings. Alternatively, if you prefer a manual route, place the buds in the case and hold the case button for about 10 seconds until the LED changes color or blinks. Both methods restore defaults. Make sure you see the LED or app confirmation so you know the reset completed successfully. Once the reset finishes, remove the LinkBuds from the case and pair them anew through your phone's Bluetooth or the app. You'll see them listed as a fresh device. If pairing fails, reboot your phone and try again, or reinstall Sony headphones Connect to clear possible app cache issues. If problems persist after repeating the reset, perform the manual case button reset once more. As a key troubleshooting tip, confirm the case and buds have sufficient charge before repeating the process to avoid interrupted resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.